Iata Recognition Charges or Iata Accreditation Charges. How much you would need to pay when you are taking the recognition and how much you would need to pay every following year. Let me explain you this with the help of a real chart. You can take this chart, this PDF from our website. I will leave the link of that in the description. So first of all, let's understand that Iata divides travel companies into three parts: small, medium and big, on the basis of the volume of business they are doing. So all those travel companies are considered small, which are doing air ticketing worth less than 1.6 crore rupees in 1 year. Then medium are those which are doing air ticketing worth more than 1.6 crore Indian national rupees. Yes, all the figures here are in Indian national rupees for your easy understanding. And less than 15.5 crore. So if your travel company is doing a business of air ticketing having worth less than 15.5 crore, then it is a medium travel company. And if you are doing air ticketing more than having worth more than 15.5 crore, then it is a large travel company. Then the charges depends on three features. One, you are taking Iata registration or recognition without BSP. So you are taking it without BSP, then the charges are less. If you are taking Iata accreditation with BSP, then the charges are more. And if you are taking Iata recognition for your multiple branches, for branches in more than 2 countries, having one in India and another in some other country, so the charges would be different. So first we can see Iata accreditation without BSP, then your annual charges are going to be 16,300, registration fees 8,200, application fees 12,250 and reinstatement fees 12,300. Late fee, not necessary that you would need to pay, but we have included that is 12,300 and total comes out to be 61,350. But let's say you want to take accreditation of travel company where you are taking benefit of BSP also. Then in that case, you would be paying annual charges 28,500, registration fees would also be more 40,800, application fees will also be more 81,500, reinstatement fee which we have to pay every year, that will remain same 12,300, and late fee is also same. So total comes out to be 1,75,000. Whereas if you are opening your company in multiple countries, then your total expense for taking accreditation comes out to be 2,69,000. Now this is first year when you are taking the accreditation. Now what is about the following years? So following years, you would need to pay limited charges, like you have to pay annual charge, then you don't have to pay registration and application fees, then you have to pay reinstatement fees only. So if you are starting a travel agency without BSP, taking accreditation of Iata, your charges every following year to be paid to Iata would be 28,600. If you are taking BSP, which is suggested, then your annual fixed charges are going to be 40,800. And if you have multiple offices in multiple countries, then your charges are going to be 53,100. So these are the charges one needs to pay when we are taking Iata accreditation, how much you have to pay in the beginning and then every following year. Along with that, I want to answer one more very important question. Many people they ask that is there any course which can get us Iata accreditation? So I would like to give answer of this with the help of Iata's website. So here I am taking you to Iata's website. So the question here is, we are on Iata's website. Here you can see. So the most important question asked by a lot of people is, do any Iata courses provide accreditation? So what Iata says? Iata says Iata courses do not lead to accreditation but do provide a certificate of completion recognized throughout the industry, right? But at the same time, Iata says if you really want to do air ticketing in the right manner, then you must be doing Amadeus. Once again, we are on Iata's website. You should be doing Amadeus. In entire Asia, Amadeus 100% practically on live system, on real live system with Amadeus genuine certification is taught only and only by the tourism school. If you want to learn real air ticketing, which would benefit you more than taking Iata accreditation, then you can do that online while being anywhere in the world and you can get internationally recognized certification. This is Mayank. Keep traveling and keep